Hi, this is Leonard for Kosmic Sound. We're here today to talk a bit about Traktor Pro, and in particular I'm using Traktor with an HID controller. I'll be using the CDJ2000 to demonstrate this. First thing I want to do is just run through the setup that we've got going here. So we've got two Pioneer CDJ2000s, the Allen & Heath Zone 92, two of the Traktor Control X1 controllers by Native Instruments, and of course the Audio 8 DJ is the sound card we're using with the Traktor Scratch Pro software. First couple of things you're going to need to know about this is just what you're going to need to get the setup happening. So you'll need a copy of Traktor Pro or Traktor Scratch Pro. You'll need obviously the CDJ2000s, and the important thing to remember here is you need to have the latest firmware updates installed on your CD player for this to function. Also, you'll need the latest updates of your Traktor Pro software for this to happen. The first point I want to make is that all the functions on your CDJ2000 or 900 will be completely functional with Traktor with this running as an HID controller. To get it hooked up is really simple. All you need to do is hit the link button on your CDJ. Then you'll see here it's ready to engage USB MIDI mode. Push the button, turn the encoder to select the deck you want to control. In this case we want to control deck B, and again click the encoder. It's ready to go. You'll instantly see the information coming up on the screen here relating to the track that I've loaded. And if you click info at the top here, you'll get the full track title, artist, timing, BPM. So the really cool thing about this is, as I mentioned before, everything on here is totally functional. You can see things on the screen as well as on your Traktor interface. For example, if I move my pitch fader, you'll see the tempo moving up on the CDJ as well as on the Traktor software. Cue points work. Cue and play buttons work fine. Your looping can be controlled from your CDJ, as well as your scroll feature from your needle search. So just to give you a bit of sound here, we'll show you how this works. Set a cue point, hit play, track starts playing. I can easily jump between different cue points, and these can be set or just played back from the CDJ. Looping works just as well. Hit once to engage a 4-beat loop, press it again to halve it, press it again to halve it, exit to drop out. Another really cool thing you can do here, create the loop, drop out to a different cue point. Both your vinyl and CDJ modes work perfectly as well. So if you want to find a particular point, drop it in, you can do that. If you prefer the old style of CDJ mixing, you can simply put it in CDJ mode. It's just acts as a jog wheel. Now I just wanted to tell you a brief bit about the benefits of using your setup this way versus just plain time code. The major thing I think is that if you're a club DJ and you rock up to a club and you find a pair of these CDJ2000s in, you don't need to be getting behind their mixer and pulling out cables and that sort of thing. All you need to do is turn up with two USB cables, plug them straight into your computer. If you've got your Control X1, plug that in, and essentially you're ready to go. Now I'm just going to give you a brief demo of how this all works all together, so you can see how you might apply this in your own setups. Alright, what we're going to do first is just get one track going and bring this second track pretty quickly, just for the purposes of this demo. Okay, so what I was mentioning before is it's really easy to smash anything in here, as you would pretty much with a normal CDJ. We can get a 4-beat loop going, shrink it. So we've just got a loop going now. And again, I've dropped out on one beat off, so with this Control X1 I can drop back in. It's also really good if you're going to use it in combination with the Control X1. So again, I could start a loop here. This kind of thing. As you can see, because I've got snap and quantize enabled as well, anything I do here, jumping cue points, even though I don't have sync enabled, it's all staying perfectly in sync with the other track. Like so. So just to wrap up, I just wanted to take you through today how you can use your existing DJ hardware with a new digital DJ system like Traktor. So there's too many combinations to name them all, but what you can do is use this with either Traktor Pro, Traktor Duo, software alone, Traktor Scratch Pro or Traktor Scratch Duo. For more information, please feel free to visit our website or come into the store for a personal demo. I'm Leonard for Kosmic Sound. Thanks a lot.